Hello everyone. Today I cook braised pork with eggs. This is very popular dish and everybody loves it. So need to master the techniques and recipe. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. In this channel I share with you everything I know, so please subscribe for your support. Thank you. The full recipe is in the description box below. If you cannot follow the screen fast enough. First, I peel my garlic, shallot, and ginger. Actually, ginger I don't peel. I use the skin as well. After I peeling, I will mince them. Let me talk to you about why this dish is so important. Every year on the new year, on every household need to have a part of this dish. My mother, when she was alive, we had a huge pot of this pork and eggs that we ate throughout the New Year holidays that lasted like 3-4 days, and no refrigeration, and it was still good since the day she made until the day we ended it, and even better the day after. So now I will season the pork with the minced ingredients that we did earlier: garlic, shallot, ginger, and the seasoning here will be some chili. I have dry chili here, but if you have fresh, the best. So I season with sugar, ground black pepper, fish sauce, and chili sauce. The chili sauce is not spicy, just there to add the color because we want the amber color for this dish. The goal here is the pork will be tender, still has the sweetness of the meat, and the broth is clear and flavorful. So you can marinate the meat for at least 30 minutes, or like I do, I marinate them for a few hours. So each hour, maybe once in a while, I come and flip them so that the meat is in seasoning all the time. And that way, you don't need to massage the meat anything. Now to cook them, I bring about 4 cups of water and 1 cup of fish sauce and 1 cup of sugar, and I let the pot boil. You can see it needs to be boiled like this, so your broth can be clear later. Now I drop the seasoned meat and on the marinating with it. Don't throw anything away. This is very popular that my mother cooked once in a while, and even on celebrations event, like celebrate my grandfather's that day celebration. Now I brought the pot to the boil and immediately lowered the heat to simmer until the meat is cooked through. And I turn up the heat and let it there for the next day. Now, this is the next day for the eggs. I brought the water into the boil with a tablespoon of salt and vinegar, and I cook for 6 minutes. And you know, when you cook eggs at 6 minutes, that means you will have a running eggs inside. You can cook them too firm, but I like my eggs tender. When you add the eggs to the broth and cook for a long time, the eggs will be firm. It absorbs on the seasoning though, but I like my eggs still soft, so I cook only 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, I put them in cold water and remove the skin, shell. Now I cook caramel and I add the eggs. I want my eggs brown color, so I added them into the caramel now. And after this, I will add the eggs to the broth. Remember, yesterday I stopped cooking the pot, and now that's what we ended up the next day. So I remove the fat on top. You can see the clear broth underneath it. You don't throw the fat away. It's very flavorful for you to saute the vegetables or making bao bun where you need fat, pork fat. So I add the eggs now, and I will bring the pot to the boil again, and when it boils, I immediately lower the heat and simmer. I never let the pot boil for long. That's the key, so that you can get a clear broth. So you can see now it's simmer, and check the broth now, still clear. So I add 1 tablespoon of caramel here, because I like the color a little darker, because after all this is New Year, so I want the pots, the meat, the eggs look nice with dark amber color. I also add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce at this point to have the best aroma. When the fish sauce cook, the pot, the whole house, my whole house smell wonderful. And I add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce if you like to. And it's done. Now let's make a taste test. You can see I use my chopstick to break the meat, and it's so tender and flavorful. Now let me lift it up for you to see. The pork is shivering and nice now. You want to eat them. Now for the meat part. You see I can break it with the help of the spoon and chopstick. Fantastic. I hope you like it and try. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.